This dog kept ringing the doorbell at 3 a.m. and saved the entire family from fire. At 3:07 a.m., the doorbell camera lit up and the homeowner saw their dog Scout slamming the bell with his paw. They thought he'd just gotten out again until they noticed Scout wasn't wagging. He was shaking, whining, and staring back toward the hallway like he wanted them to follow. The owner opened the door and Scout bolted inside, sprinting straight to the laundry room. That's when the smell hit, burning plastic. A thin ribbon of smoke was crawling out from behind the dryer. The vent hose had overheated and the wall was starting to smolder. Scout kept circling the hallway, then ran to the baby's room and scratched the door like he was saying, "Hurry!" The homeowner yanked the baby up, grabbed Scout's collar, and rushed everyone outside. Minutes later, firefighters said the heat had already spread inside the wall, and if they'd gone back to sleep, the entire house could have flashed into flames. Scout didn't ring the bell for attention. He rang it because he knew nobody would wake up in time.